We'll guide you through how to download and install a Premiere Pro on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Premiere Pro, in my opinion, is one of the best video editing apps out there. It's got so many great features, effects, transitions, and you can use it as a beginner or as an advanced video editor as well. Open up a web browser of your choice. I'll open up Safari in this case. Then what you want to do is come and search for Premiere Pro, like so. Make sure you come down and find the official Adobe site, this one here, adobe.com. Then what you can do is come down and we can go and get a free trial or purchase it now. In this case, I'll just go and purchase it now. And what you can then do is go and find it here, press buy now and go and subscribe. After you've gone and subscribed and you've got it, or you may already have it, then what you can do is press your profile icon in the top right and press manage account. You may need to go and sign in if you aren't already, but I am. Then you can press access your apps and services. Go and find Premiere and you want to go and press install like so, and it's now going to go and start the process. You just need to be patient. When it's finished, it'll go and say open in desktop. What you can do is go and press open in desktop and it's going to go and launch. As you can see here, I can import some sample media and start editing.